Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook memories not showing problem. To do this, go back to Facebook and go to your phone setting. Scroll down and tap on apps. And now search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Scroll down and tap on storage. And delete your cache file. And go back and tap on permissions. And make sure all permission is enabled. After doing that, go back and go to your Play Store and search for Facebook. Update your Facebook, it's available. Open your Facebook and tap on three dot icon and click on memories. Tap on settings. Turn on this option to get notification for your all memories. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If this method doesn't work for you, then uninstall your Facebook app and reinstall again.